Hey Mustang lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're giving you an exclusive first look at the 2025 Ford Mustang, a legendary nameplate reimagined for the modern era. This latest generation blends muscular design with sleek innovation, featuring a more aggressive front grille, slimmer LED headlights, and a sculpted silhouette that still screams Mustang heritage. The stance is wider, the lines are sharper, and the attitude is unmistakably bold. Whether in coupe or convertible form, the 2025 Mustang turns heads from every angle. And yes, it's still every bit the icon we know and love. Inside the 2025 Mustang, things have gone seriously futuristic. Gone are the analog dials, now you get a fully digital cockpit with a 12.4-inch digital cluster and a curved 13.2-inch S25 touchscreen that flows seamlessly across the dash. Premium materials like leather, suede, and aluminum accents give it a luxury sport vibe. The ambient lighting is customizable, and the flat-bottom steering wheel is packed with controls for performance and connectivity. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and OTA updates are standard. It's a cockpit designed not just for driving, but for dominating the road. Let's talk power, because this Mustang isn't just about looks. Under the hood, you've got a refined 5.0L Coyote V8 in the GT trim that delivers up to 500 horsepower. Preferred turbo? The 2.3L EcoBoost is still here, tuned for better torque and responsiveness. You can go full purist with a 6-speed manual or opt for the 10-speed automatic for quick, crisp shifts. New dual air intakes, better cooling, and active exhaust bring out the beast. Whether you're launching off the line or cruising at highway speed, the 2025 Mustang delivers raw, track-ready performance in every gear. Now, you might not think off-road when you hear Mustang, but Ford added some flexibility. The adaptive suspension can handle rougher roads with surprising comfort, and there's enough ground clearance to take on gravel and uneven surfaces. With selectable drive modes like slippery and normal, adjusting the throttle and stability control, the Mustang is more adaptable than ever. While it's no Bronco, you can definitely take the scenic route without breaking a sweat. So whether it's back roads, mountain curves, or long open highways, the Mustang keeps its cool. So here's the bottom line, the 2025 Ford Mustang is everything a modern muscle car should be: bold, fast, connected, and unmistakably American. Ford has taken a classic and injected it with futuristic tech and cutting-edge design without losing that raw Mustang soul. Whether you're into performance, style, or pure driving joy, this new-gen pony car delivers. Pricing starts in the low $30,000s, with high-performance trims like the GT and Dark Horse pushing higher. If you want heritage with horsepower and high-tech in one sleek package, this is your ride.